Hey, it's Steve with 199 Roof Repair coming back at you from my backyard. I have a rain gauge in my backyard. 2 days ago, it rained so much that I had 2 inches of rain, and I dumped it, the rain gauge out when I said, 2 inches, that's a lot of rain for over here in Sugar Land. And then next day or two, it rained again. I went out and checked my rain gauge. 2.5 inches, so now I've got like 4.5 inches of rain in 2 or 3 days. I go out this morning, it's a beautiful day, sky's blue over here, and I got to show you my rain gauge. Yesterday, I got another 2 inches of rain. So when I added up 2.5 and 2 and another 2 or so, I don't have a calculator, but it sounds like it's over 6 inches of rain. Is that crazy? How do we get so much rain? And what are we doing about maintaining our roofs? Our roofs take a beating in this hot sun. They're expanding, contracting. When they get old, they lose their oil and they start getting brittle and crumbling. And then hail comes. I can give you the 14-year hail hit history of your house, showing the date, the time when the hail hit your house, how big the hail was, how long it stayed at your house. I'm talking about down to the minute, of how long that hail kept beating on your roof. Do you want that information for free? I will print it out. I will pull it up on my software, and I will email it to you. Just call me today, 844 the word leak, L-E-A-K 199. Say, Steve, I'd just like to know, in 14 years, was my roof ever hit by hail? I will show you that it's very possible that your roof has been hit over 14 years, anywhere from 5 to 8. We had one gentleman's roof was hit 16 times, 16 different hailstorms hit his house in 14 years. That was a little bit extreme. And when the adjuster came out, he says, I'm not here to look for hail. The homeowner only said he was missing shingles, so I'm only here to look for wind damage. I'm like, dude, look at this report. Look at the dates. This roof in 14 years has been hit 16 different days of hail. The homeowner, when he called in, just said he was missing shingles, so that's wind. So I'm just looking for wind damage. I'm not looking for hail damage. Is that crazy? And then he has the audacity to come up to the truck and tell me and the homeowner, I saved you $5,000 today. I'm kind of looking like, you saved the homeowner $5,000? How did that happen? He says, I didn't find any damage, so your deductible is $5,000 out of your pocket. So I saved you $5,000. But I think the repair is only going to be $950. So you saved $5,000 today. You talk about a doctor's bedside manner. Could he have broken the news to the homeowner a little bit more professional and said, I'm sorry, sir, but we didn't find any damage? What's this about telling him he saved him $5,000 on his deductible? Call us today. Our number is 844, the word leak, L-E-A-K 199. That's 199roofrepair.com.